Tish21. What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are having an absolutely wonderful day. Today we have some really good content for you guys. We are going to Tony's shop at Dyna Motorsports. What are we tuning? Not my G, but we're getting Jazz's car tuned. He has the Datsun 240Z, which had the BUILT RB swap in it, RB26. And that car, I can't wait to see get tuned, because if you guys recall, last time it made about 640 wheel horsepower, and it was absolutely insane. But this time he's gone and rebuilt it, because he did have some headlift issues, kind of like I did, but this time he went balls to the wall and he's going for a full 1,000 horsepower build. So that thing's absolutely just insane right now. It's got a Garrett G42 series turbo on it, bigger cams, like it's just insane. Full fuel cell in the back. Like you guys are gonna get to see it in just a moment. He's hoping to hit 1,000 wheel, but today he's just going for like a regular pump gas tune first. So it'll probably be around between the same 600 to 700 wheel horsepower. So stay tuned, guys. You're in for a treat. Hopefully, if you're watching this footage, it means I got some good footage. All right, let's check you guys in a second.
Mine is a little manual idle air control valve. So you adjust throttle bodies?
Yeah, like where it's stopped. Oh yeah, the idle. Yeah,
the idle.
Oh, with a paper?
Yeah. So it basically just
stays open.
Kicks it up a tiny hair, right?
My old Pontiac, we did that with a screwdriver.
Yeah.
To keep it running, because it used to stall when you let off. You guys ready for this? RB26 fully built G42 Garrett. Electric power steering. He built it himself. Can you believe this? What was the electric power steering out of? A Subaru or something?
No, it's from a Vauxhall Astra.
Vauxhall Astra, bro. You're nice with it like that now, eh? Yeah, you're good. Perfect. Holy shit. When did you become so good with that clutch?
Fuck, I've always been good with that clutch. It's only you that had the problem.
I couldn't drive it for shit. Oh my god. Bancho.
Get out.
Yeah?
Yeah, get out.
drive after so long. So basically finished up on the dyno. We made about 730 wheel horsepower at about, I think it was 20 something pounds of boost, 26 pounds of boost if I'm not mistaken. What happened was he actually ran out of wastegate, so he didn't have enough wastegate to make any more power on pump gas. So what they're most likely going to do now is switch to either a twin wastegate setup on that or go to one bigger single wastegate. I think he's only running like a 40 something mil right now. That's what's going to happen. Hopefully I got you guys some good footage, you know, for now. Again, that was really just a break into. The car's going to come back on a full power tune very soon. In the meantime, what I will leave you guys for the end of this video is a little quick blast here in the AMG, one of my favorite tunnels. This thing is just a different kind of car, guys. Like, I'm telling you honestly, you have the, you have my G, which is like full turbo, spool, all that, and then you have this, which is just so like, oh my god, just a vicious NA motor, just straight like. Oh my god. Man, I'm telling you, you guys need to experience. Oh, fantastic. Hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys have a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.